Hey there, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, which is where you're probably watching this. So I have another throwback flashback box, well, bag in this case. It is the Ipsy 2017 beauty bag. The theme is Spellbound. That's right. In my defense, the moon was full and I was left unsupervised. And you probably shouldn't leave me unsupervised with makeup because, well, I have way too much of it and then crazy things happen, as you will see shortly. So, as you can tell, I've got something going on with my hair. Yes, there's crap in my hair. There's conditioner, and it's sitting because my hair was teased out to like here, and I had to get out all the knots, and I may have lost a little hair in the process, but hey, beauty is pain. So anyway, it is a little throwback bag, October 2017. It's like a little kind of, I don't know, like almost leathery feel bag, but you know, it's not. And it's got like a lace print on it. And it's got a little bat. Yeah, see the little bat? It's so cute because the October before bag had a little ghost. Halloween! Oh, Halloween season's almost upon us. So anyway, the theme is Spellbound. A lot of cool, fun stuff. It's different in this one. So we have Skinvolve Phoenician Secret Scrub. It's a secret. So it's supposed to shed tired and dull skin and make you rise like a phoenix with a Phoenician coffee scrub. And then I said Phoenix and my cat came because my cat's name is Phoenix. She is Phoenician. No, she's really part Siamese. Anyway, so coffee body scrub. They also, I believe, have a really cool caffeine body lotion that helps get rid of cellulite, whatever you call it. Look at that, it's got a little phoenix. Not like a little phoenix, like I had a little phoenix somewhere around here. Then we have the lip crayon by Luna Cosmetics. It's in Alara. It's like a baby pink. It kind of reminds me of MAC lipstick in the color Angel, but a little more rosy. So there's that. And then we have It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder, which I am actually, because I'm looking kind of greasy, I'm actually just going to try it out right here. Let's see here. Oh, it's got a little spongy here, but we're not going to use that. I'm just going to take and see if I look less greasy. Oh, I do look less greasy. Check that out. So, hey, good news. This actually works. And I'm excited to use more of that. Yay! Then we have a TonyMoly Peach Hand Cream. Let's see if it smells peachy or if it's just a name. Ooh. Oh, I hate when they have that little piece of foil. Sometimes you gotta do that. So, oh, it does. It does smell a little peachy. Look at those hands. Oh, it does. It does smell peachy. Oh, now I want some peaches. Good thing I have some in my fridge. And then finally we have Nailmedic. It's charcoal infused nail polish. Like everything has charcoal in it these days. It's supposed to protect against toxins and pollutants and restores healthy, beautiful nails. My nails are fake. it's all good. So there's that. This is called Volcanic Ash. Or is it? No. Let's see. Which color do I have? It doesn't even tell me what color I have. There was like 2 different options. And I'm like, oh, I apparently have lava. It's a lavender gray shade, which isn't right. Yeah, there you go. So, there we go. So that is the bag, Spellbound. So, bewitched by that. Remember, don't leave me unsupervised when the moon is full. Which the moon is full, I think. I am unsupervised. You're all in trouble. Follow me. Stay beautiful. See you next time.